Alright everyone, some exciting things going on in the Ozark Co-op. Here's one of our cabin builds going on right now. We're gonna build a nice little model cabin down there, show people what it looks like, build some terrace gardens here, and get this place set up for an off-grid living site right now.
This here's gonna be the location for the cabin we're gonna be building.
Whenever we choose a spot for a cabin to build, there's a lot that goes into consideration. Now, when we look at a place, one of the first three things we look for is level ground, a stable foundation, and water.
You can see those two trees, all those trees right there out in front of us. They're all going to be cut down with the chainsaw, those dead ones and that, and really open up the valley.
Another thing we think about is a stable foundation. So we dig down, and we're going to get down deep until we find some nice sturdy foundation rock that we can really drill down into. Whatever cabin we build is going to be safe and it's going to stay put. In the Ozarks, water is everywhere. We have, on average, 50 inches of rain a year. So we have to consider that much water flowing through whatever you're about to build, and you don't want it to tear it down. You don't want it to cause flooding problems. So you have to be thinking about where is the water going to go.
Cleaning all those rocks out of here and putting them down on the far side.
Another thing we look at is level ground. Gardening is a vital tool that every homesteader needs. Well, sometimes it's nice just to have some flat ground, so we terrace in some level ground where we start off with areas that don't have it. We're on the end of the first day of this build for this cabin. If you look, we got the basic platform set up for a 10 by 16 cabin. We got the lower area set up to start our terrace garden. We got the view opened up a little bit. We're gonna keep doing that.
Hello, I just want you guys to know that I'm the film man today. So I want you to see me and hear my voice. So when you hear the voice and I'm behind the camera asking all these questions and making these comments, you'll know who the gorgeous person is that's doing that.
Now when I'm looking at a big hill and I gotta carry a lot of cinder blocks and concrete and oak logs down this hill, I'm gonna take the option to just back my truck up, hook up to the winch, and pull us back up that hill. Because I'm not carrying that stuff all the way down that hill over and over again. So that's what we did.
We're putting this on the side of the mountain. David has chosen a great spot to show you that we can do anything. But it's all worth it because of that great view out there.
So that's what we did, and I got stuck, of course, but it's okay because we had an instant solution and a way to get out, plus it was a little more fun.
We got the winch hooked up to the truck that's up there on the road, and we're gonna have to winch this truck out.
All right, we've got the platform on, and let me tell you, it's a good workout. These are all solid oak logs. They're about 80 to 100 pounds each. And now that they're in place, we're gonna anchor them down and get the wall started going up. Safety first. All right. I got the first few logs in place, and we're about to start anchoring these things in. All right, so we're moving along, getting it done. As you see, we're working on that back end, bringing it up for the window. We're also gonna have a window right here and be able to see some sunlight and get some breeze going through the building. All right, I hope you enjoyed that cabin build. Stay tuned, coming out soon is the finished product. You're also gonna see the full terrace garden in action, along with some interior decorating off-grid co-op style.